Alright guys, thank you for watching another video. I just got a delivery from CGC and I was going to do another unboxing. So stay with me, we'll see the books I got and I will reveal the grades. I'll see the grades for the first time just like you guys. We'll be surprised. We can go over it and let me know in the comments below if I miss anything or if you have any comments. And let's get to the books. Two books at a time. And the first book's up, we have The Seven Secrets by Tom Taylor. And on the left, I believe that's cover A. And on the right, we have a Virgin variant. I was big on this book. I thought it was a really great read. It was a lot of fun. And let's see what we got here. On these modern books, you got to get a 9.8. You got it. Come on. Boom! I got it. Let's see what we got here on the left. If I got the big boy. Yes! This is the way you start a video, man. You start this way properly. Like and subscribe if you guys like the content here. Ring that little bell. It'll notify you when I've uploaded more videos. And let's check out the next two books here. We have more Seven Secrets. And I have another Virgin variant on the left and the right here. And I don't know what covers these. There was a ton of covers for these. Maybe this is cover C and cover D. But I really liked this read. I really enjoyed it. And when number one came out, I picked up a couple of them. I think this is from, what, 3 years ago? I picked up a couple of them. So let's see what we got here. Oh, I just missed. Just missed. Oh, got the 9.8, baby. Nice. All right, very cool. So we have some nice copies of this book taken care of. And I have this book in my pull list.
That was legitness.
Boom.
All right, here we go. We got Year of the Villain, Hell Arisen. This is from, what, 5 years ago? And this is the first Punchline, but I think this is the second printing. The red cover there, when it gets more red, I think it's the second printing. And Punchline was really hot for a while. Let's see what we did on these books. These books look like they were in great shape. I have a first printing somewhere, but the second and third printings, I grabbed a bunch of them. They were all over the place. Oh, boom. Got that 9.8.
Knock, knock.
Oh. What do you guys think about Punchline? You think she cooled off a little bit? You think Miracle Molly stole her thunder? Or do you think it's kind of a cool book to have? I think she might come back. She was kind of cool, actually. Punchline, she had a cool name, she had a good look. And, oh, here we go. A nice Valiant book, Bloodshot, and that's the first Ninja K on the left. And this is the reboot of The Flash, #1 here, in the 80s, right? This is, Mike Baron rebooted this around the same time as they rebooted Superman, right? And this was a cool run, man. They went back to the legacy numbers pretty quick, though, didn't they? And let's see what we got on this first Ninja. This is a cool book to have, actually. The first Ninja K on the left. And this is from the 90s, Valiant. Oh, got an 9.0 on the Flash.
Do it. Do it.
Oh, wow. I am shocked. I had no idea that was a mint book. I know it was over a 9, but I didn't know it was a 9.8. Oh, man. Unbelievable. All right, cool book to have. And on the right, that Flash book, I knew it was over a 9 or better. But those 80s books, I don't know, you read them a lot when you were a kid. So, they can't all be perfect. Let me know what you guys think of Punchline. You think these books are kind of good to have? I got more coming up. All right, guys, we got more doubles here, right? This is the first full appearance of Punchline. And second printing, though. But these books were all over the place at the time. And I bought like a couple of them, like 2 or 3 of them. And I wanted to get like a 9.8. I wanted to get a high grade on them. So I sent a couple of them in so that I get a hit on a high grade. So let me know in the comments below if you guys buy doubles sometimes, if you see like a hot character. I think she really cooled off, though. Punchline really cooled off. But I bought a couple of them. All right, let's check out the other books. Like I said, these were the second prints, though. But I grabbed, what I got, 4 of them? And I think I have a couple of third prints, too. The first print, I remember it sold out, right? and I think I only grabbed like one of them. Oh yes, I have I forgot about this. I had the first Kick-Ass. Very cool, man. Look at that cover, man. It looks great. And here is here's another Bloodshot here. This is this the first cameo of Ninja K in that book? Or the I forgot what this. I gotta read the thing. I forgot what this is. But this is the first Kick-Ass on the left here, and that cover looks awesome. Icon Comics. Look at that. How cool that is, right? And I don't think we can see the grades, right? I gotta raise the camera. Oh man, I got an 8.0. Damn, I thought I was. Oh, I got crushed. I got my ass kicked on that one. Kick-Ass kicked my ass. I got a 6.0. Can we turn that upside down? Can I break open the slab and turn that 6.0 and make it a 9.0? I'll try to flip it, maybe? Oh, man, I thought these books were like a 9.0 or better. All right, let me clear the decks here. We got too many books here, right? Let's clear out some of these books to make room, because I only went through half the box. I went through half the CGC box. Let's see what I got in the other half. And we'll keep this party rolling, right? All right, let's see what we got here. The next two books, we have... Oh, remember this was like a hot book for a while? The Recount?
Daddy, chill.
I think somebody optioned this for a movie, right? And this was on Scout Comics. And this is the ash can on the right. Wow, I have the ash can of this. I have the ash can of The Recount. And that's cover A, I believe, on the left.
Knock, knock.
These look like they're in great shape. These modern books, you got to get that 9.8. So I was shooting for the gold. Let's see what we got here. Especially, it's cool, kind of cool to have an ash can. Let's see what I got. Oh, look at me showing off. Boom. Almost had an accident there, right? Book almost fell on the camera. And that is an ash can. Look at that. Even says it there. Scout Comics. All right, very cool. Kind of a cool book to have. I thought they were making a movie out of this or something like that. But this is from like, 3 years ago, this book? I don't know if anybody knows what's been going on with it. All right, and then I had some New 52 Batman here.
I'm Batman.
On the right. And then the left. Oh, Batman White Knight. Look at that great book. Very cool. And that blue is just popping off, right? It looks terrific. Is this Sean Murphy?
Daddy, chill.
And on the right, there's Scott Snyder, Greg Pulo, New 52 run.
I'm Batman.
Someone new was I forgot who was in this book. Oh, 9.6.
Denied.
Oh! I thought that was like a 9. I thought it was like a 9.4 or 9.6. I got a 9.0. All right. Pretty cool. I'll take it. Anything over a 9.0, I'll take it. Here is Scout's Honor on Aftershock. Aftershock is gone now, right? That comic book publisher. I believe they're gone. I don't think they ever recovered. But this is Scout's Honor #1. This was a great book. Aftershock was putting out some great books. And on the left, we have Spectre and Spectre. And was this Grant Morrison on the left? Did he help write this book? I think this was a 6-issue miniseries. It was kind of cool. Oh, I got a 9.8 on that Scout's Honor. Very nice. 9.6 on that version variant. Very cool. That Scout's Honor was awesome, man, on the right. Aftershock was putting out bangers, man. They were putting out great books. I can't remember what happened when they went under, if they rolled over to another company or not. I don't know what the updates were on that. And this is Sword of Azrael on the left, #1. And this Moon Knight run came out when the show came out on Netflix, Disney Channel, right? Wasn't there a Moon Knight show? But this run, I think this is Jed McKay, was a great run. So I grabbed the #1 here. I don't think this is cover A. I think this is cover C. But it was a great run. Oh, I just missed a 9.8. Very close.
Denied.
And this is Sword of Azrael #8, 9.8. Look at this. This is from the 90s, right? 1997, that's Sword of Azrael. On the right, that Moon Knight run is still going, isn't it? I don't think it's Jed McKay anymore, though. All right, like and subscribe if you like the content here. Ring that little bell. It'll notify you when I upload new videos. So it goes right to your inbox. Oh, look at this amazing cover here. Dark Knight's Death Metal. Remember this?
Dark Knight's Death Metal. Feel the DC darkness. Feel it.
This was awesome. I love the Death Metal. And it looks like a Capullo cover there. And I believe that's a Bulletproof exclusive, my LCS. It's a Bulletproof exclusive comic cover there. Oh, banged out the 9/8. And Batman White Knight on the left, the Sean Murphy book. Is this Gabriel Delato, the cover, or is this Capullo? Look at Bulletproof exclusive cover. Look at that. Beautiful cover, right? Oh, got a 9/2 on that White Knight special, #1.
Fatality.
It's a Black Label book, huh? Is it a Black Label book? Interesting.
I'm in danger.
That the Murphy verse is actually really cool, and now it's really going. Now there's like 4 of them, right? There's like Batman Beyond, and all right, here we go. New 52. I wanted a Talon. I wanted the first Talon. 2 of these, another double here, because I wanted a first Talon. I love the New 52 run with Snyder, and I wanted a first Talon, a really good copy of it, and I wasn't sure. I wanted to get that 9/8, so I was trying to pick really high-end books. So I sent 2 of them, and I thought one would get it, and luckily I got 1 hit. But a 9/6 ain't bad either, right? So I'll take it. I wanted that 9/8. Did I get it? Come on. Come on, one of these got it. Oh, ba-boom. Yeah, I wanted the first Talon and the first Court of Owls, right? I don't know when that one's coming back, but I sent one of those in too. But it'd be cool just to hold on to these, because it was such a great, especially that first story arc, which is incredible. It'd be cool to have some of those books in mint condition. Maybe I'll hold on to these, though. And then we had a Batman White Knight. This is the last book. Sean Murphy, #1. Let's see what I got on this thing. This was great, man. It's kind of cool. Oh, got an 8/0. Damn, I must have read these books too much, huh? Beat them up a little bit? I should actually check out the notes, right? And see what I missed. It's probably inside the book, or maybe something I just overlooked. All right, this is a cool batch of books. I can't remember what I sent in. I'm surprised when I get the books back, because it takes 8 months. I think there are 7 or 8 months right now. So I can't remember what I sent in when I get them. It's kind of a surprise for me, just as it is for you. But that was kind of fun, right? Kind of a fun batch of books. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching another video. Like and subscribe if you like the content here. And go to my channel page for more videos. You can see more unboxings and more store tours and things like that. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.